Atmospheric Hazards. This course is brought to you by Gilad James Mystery School. Learn more at giladjames.com. Introduction. More lightning occurs in clouds than that strikes the ground, and as the cloud moves above the earth, opposite charges are induced on the surface of the earth and on objects on the ground under the cloud. Upward streamers, not usually visible from these objects, will reach up and attempt to connect with the downward moving lightning channel. A cloud-to-ground flash has one or more return strokes. When you see lightning flickering, those are return strokes within the same flash. There are about 4 strokes per flash, when averaged over a large sample size. The first stroke comes faintly to ground and contacts the surface of the earth. The stroke may attach to a tree, open land, the ocean, or other objects. Then the light fills the channel going upward. The next stroke in the flash will likely come down from the cloud to the ground in the same channel as the first stroke, and so on. Occasionally, one of the subsequent strokes will stray from the pre-existing channel and come to ground 1 or 2 kilometers away. One of the important features of this well-known mechanism of lightning strikes is the search radius. The cloud-to-ground channel makes its way downward in step leaders of about 50-meter length. At the lower tip of each step, the channel searches for a feature that makes a convenient connection to ground. Higher up in the cloud, there is nothing to strike, so the step leader keeps coming toward the ground as each step attempts to reach out and connect to the ground. Branching occurs that is generally downward. Only when the lowest tip of the channel is 30 to 50 meters from the surface of the earth does it decide what to strike. This last step leader, not usually visible from a distance, is nearly vertical and connects one of the upward streamers emanating from objects such as trees, poles, and sometimes open water. The most likely connections will be made to objects that are tall, isolated, and pointed. But if that object is more than 30 to 50 meters away from the lowest tip of the downward leader, the lightning channel may come all the way to ground, close to a tall building or tower. Cloud-to-ground lightning photographed from Oro Valley, Arizona, USA, copyright R. Hula,